Here's a slash 4x4 I traded for. It's got a couple of nice aluminum parts on it. It's a little rough. It needs to be rebuilt. So looking for some input, some ideas on where to start off with this guy. Screw kit and chassis plates definitely in order. All right, here is my slash that I traded for. It's kind of a mystery to me. It's got some aluminum shocks on it. I'm sure they're quality China. It's got these in it. Don't know what these are. The guy said he ran it on 3S. And Ghoul RC, stock servo, Ghoul RC AC, 80 amp, I believe. I don't know what the KB motor is, probably 3800. Rear shocks again, same as the front. And these are probably those are probably the Traxxas X01 drive shafts. They kind of look like that. It's got aluminum shock towers. And it's got aluminum shock tower on the front. There's the bottom. Anyway, I'm going to take it for a spin. Alright, let's turn it on. You go shut that door. This is on 2S. Not bad for 2S. I don't have the body on because I just wanted to run it real quick. Seems to work. Got what the same way?
That no controller. It is so fast when you like turn on the start when you try to do it.
A little hesitation in the throttle there after I smacked the curb, but it's a Ghoul RC ESC, who cares? I'll run it.
I can run it like into the wall and the pins.
I don't know where Tim's at. He's probably taking a nap. No. I'm just gonna run it a little bit longer.
Oh. Wow, that's going way too fast. Look at that.
Reese, go back in the garage, please. What? Okay, back. Battery's not. I didn't run this more than 5 minutes, but I can touch the motor,
Could you do this
touch the
out?
wires, see, everything seems okay. So all in all, it's I mean, got
I gotta
screw
put
here, and it needs some taking care of. Oh, it's got aluminum back here too.